All right, how you doing? So just wanted to give you an overview. So pretty much, it's like a cover. So it would be inside of this. So they press a button and then it comes out. This is something existing already. There are a few companies producing it. The cover being inside the box, inside of this plastic thing. So basically, what I want to add is sort of something that you hook to you put it and then you hook it to your wheel, but you press the button and then it's an alarm. So let's say if someone tries to take off the cover, then it alarms. If somebody tries to cut it, it alarms. So that's pretty much where I want to think. So you see that black line? That would be like maybe the sensor for the alarm. Like when you touch the cloth, you try to take off the cover, it will alarm. So that's what I'm trying to develop. I also want to have a sort of a GPS inside of this thing on the top. I don't know how practical that one is, but maybe I could have two versions, one with the GPS and one without the GPS, so that let's say if someone goes with a car, you can track it. But that is a second feature. Let me know what you think.